us put the panel bond on. We also went ahead and did the passenger side just because it's a time sensitive thing. We wanted to get that panel bond drying evenly on driver's side and passenger side. So both sides are done, and now we're going to go ahead and jump start the car because the battery's dead. We're going to move it to our other garage and start the fiberglassing process.
Cut it the other way.
So how are we going about this process, Sean?
All right, the first thing you want to do with the excess panel bond that's come out between the metal and the fiberglass flare, you want to sand that down because when you go to put the filler or fiberglass filler over here, of course you want everything sanded nice. I use 80 grit, 3M 80 grit. It's just what I use. You don't have to use it. They have other brands, just what I prefer. But basically what you do is you want to get into that crack real good. You want to scuff that up, get most of that out of there. You don't want any kind of like shininess. And then we'll take a DA and actually go from metal to fiberglass and just with 80 grit on it as well. And then we'll put, I call it kitty hair. There's other names for it. But it's basically body filler with fiberglass strands in it. It works really well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to show you the process and I hope you enjoy it.
Let's get that time lapse going.
not the right way to do this. We're having some technical difficulties. Don't worry about it. I know it looks bad now, but this is just the first stage, so just bear with it.
So now that we've got the fiberglass all laid and it has dried and hardened, it's time to get towards sanding. Sean, what are you going to be using to sand this?
We use grinder to start with because this stuff's really hard. And then after that, we'll go to 40 grit on a DA. And then just pretty much that should be ready for regular filler after that point. But yeah, so we'll just get into it.
We'll set up the time lapse. Let's go. So now that we've got both sides sanded, Sean, what's the next step?
We're going to go ahead and move on to some regular filler. This is a good, it's just a premium filler. It's not that Bondo stuff that you get at like a hardware store. This is actually from our paint supply store. It's better to use than that Bondo stuff. It's just not that good.